If your fence posts are leaning or unstable, and you're sick of seeing your fence wobble every time the wind blows, you're in the right spot for fence repair tips that actually work and keep your yard looking sharp. So, the first thing is to check how deep your fence posts are set, because a lot of times if they're not at least 2 feet deep, they're going to shift around. If you notice the post is loose, try packing more soil or gravel tightly around the base to add some support. For extra stability, grab some quick-setting concrete and pour it around the base of the post. Seriously, that stuff makes a huge difference and only takes like 20 minutes to set up. If you see any rot or soft spots on the wood, don't even bother trying to save it. Just pull that post out and swap it for a new pressure-treated one, so you don't have to mess with this again anytime soon. When replacing, use a level to make sure the post is straight before letting the concrete dry, because no one wants a wonky fence line. If your posts are metal and they're rusted out at the bottom, replace them or use a bracket that locks onto solid concrete. Sometimes tightening up the rails between posts helps too. Just use some sturdy screws if things look wobbly. And honestly, just giving your fence a regular once-over every few months keeps small problems from turning into those expensive headaches down the road. One of the most common mistakes with fence post installation is not digging the hole deep enough, which leads to unstable fence posts that start leaning after a few months. Make sure you go at least 24 inches deep so your posts stay put. Another big issue is skipping concrete footings, thinking it saves time or money, but without that solid base, posts end up shifting or even snapping in strong winds. A quick bag of quick-setting concrete can save you hundreds of dollars in repairs later. The third mistake homeowners make is reusing old, rotten posts instead of swapping them out for pressure-treated wood or rust-resistant steel. Those old posts just break down faster, so spend a little extra now to avoid totally rebuilding your fence in a year. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for finding reliable local contractors who actually show up and do quality work, so you don't have to stress about getting ripped off or left hanging. If you're a contractor looking for steady jobs and good reviews from real homeowners, BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy to connect with folks in your area who need help with projects like fixing up fences and more.